Okay, hi again, Actuary Dude over here. So let's have a look at another relatively quick question. So it says here an investor purchases a share for 769 pence at the beginning of the year. Halfway through the year, he receives a dividend net of tax of 4 pence and immediately sells the share for 800 pence. Okay, so he's only had it for half a year. Capital gains tax of 30% is paid on the difference between the sale and the purchase price. Calculate the net annual effective rate of return the investor obtains on the investment. Okay, so let's have a look. He starts with $769. Now, that's fine. He's going to be paying 30% of tax, so 800 minus that amount that he started with is going to, that's his profit right there, but now he's going to have to pay some tax, so he'll only get to keep 70% of that, and that's going to be some amount, and then so that's going to be some interest amount that he's going to be getting, as in like a kind of profit, plus, in fact I should even write down now, plus 4, and that will be, because he's getting his 4%, his 4 pence dividend, so that will be the amount of technical profit he gets, so then it'll be this amount is his ending, as in this amount plus this will be what he has to end off with. So let's just have a quick look and see what we get. So we got 800 minus 769 times 0.7. So I'm just going to do this as one equation and remember the equal sign actually. So we'll see he gets 21.7 pence from just by the sale, and then we'll also increase it by that 4 pence dividend, so it's 25.7 over there. So I'll just write that down, 25.7, and now we're going to say, okay, so what's his end amount? So we're going to say we had 769, and we're going to add on what he's now earned, so 794.7. So even though he sold it for 800, he really only is ending up with 794.7. Okay, so we got 794.7. So really, all we're trying to work out now is 769 times 1 plus I times a half a year, and this is an annual rate, which is why we say a half, equals 794.7. Therefore our I equals, let's just use Excel for this one. Sorry, I just want to see the whole image there. Alright, so I'll just fill it in over here. So we say equals 794.7 divided by 769 equals that to the power of 2 equals that, and then minus 1 if you want to. So we actually get 6.795 or whatever percent. So we're looking at 6.8% per annum. So I'll write that down. 6.8% per annum is what the investor returned. Okay, thanks for watching.